Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Slingmotor7, and I'm here with Starweather Gaming, and here we are. We are going to be extracting some blackberry DNA today.
What is it?
Oh, the blackberries?
Yeah. You can look around there. So.
Oh yeah, here are the blackberries. Sorry guys. Here are the blackberries.
91% isopropyl
Alcohol. Dawn dish soap. You see guys, the Dawn dish soap.
90 milliliters of water. Okay.
And then we need
some salt.
whatever. Oh, salt.
So, with the Dawn and these 90 milliliters of water, you're going to want to pour about an estimated amount of a tablespoon into here. So,
Just check my recording. Okay, start.
what you think is a
Start.
tablespoon?
Yeah, so this is about
good.
It's about good. Then what do we do?
There.
See, guys, the Dawn's combined there. Now I'll add salt.
I'll get a spoon to stir it once we're done.
I'm adding the salt.
Okay, add like
A pinch.
a little bit, like a pinch.
Sorry, dude, it's kind of hard to.
You gotta pour it the other way.
Oh yeah, dude. No, I know how to do it. Okay.
Not too much. That's good.
Okay, guys.
And then
So, guys,
you
I
can
want to show
stir.
them the salt. So, guys, you see our solution thing?
Okay, and then can you stir that?
Yeah. So now you stir it.
And then we have these blackberries, and then you're gonna want a Ziploc bag.
Yeah. And now
To
here
stuff.
I've got a blackberries. Can we use like 3 blackberries?
Let's use a little more.
Because dude, blackberries are pretty small fruits.
Yeah.
Are kind of small. So.
Yeah. About 10.
Okay, guys, I just need
There's
to
8 in here, but and then so this is stirred. Now you're.
No, dude. Can I do it, please? Okay, fine. Okay, so guys,
I'll open it up.
So guys, so now he's got the bag open. So now I pour the solution in here, and then can I mash it up?
Wait. And then you have to zip it really tightly. Really tightly.
Yeah. And then you mash it up like this.
There's air in there. There's air in there. There's air in there. We need to take out the air. Okay.
Oh yeah, sorry. You guys, it's a really bad idea letting air because one time we tried to extract banana DNA and it totally backfired. Plus, bananas are really hard to mush up.
Because they don't have very many juices, I guess. Mash that up.
You know that oranges are acidic? They have citrus acid. Oranges and lemons are actually acid.
I think everyone knows that.
Yeah. Oh, crap. What in the world? Well, dude, are we gonna even...
That's why you can't squeeze it too hard.
Okay.
Gotta be careful. You can't squeeze it up too hard. Otherwise, that happens.
Is this good enough? Because that looks pretty
Sifting
mashed.
pan.
Sifting pan?
So now you would take a cup holder, and then you'll get a sifting pan to pour this in, so none of the chunks can
You
get.
guys can just use a coffee sifting pan.
I think it's probably like it in there. But
You could use this one.
okay,
So guys, so we're just using this kind of thing.
that will be.
Okay, I'm gonna go clean this out.
Oh no. That's not gonna work. It's too big. So you don't want this to be like bigger around the rim. Otherwise it'll pour everywhere and it'll ruin it. We'll need to find something else. Let's find something else. I could edit the video for you.
Sorry, guys. Hold on the video. Okay, guys. Sorry, it just lightened vote 237 and start the game again. Sorry, our last video is kind of a backfire. We're just gonna.
No, we can put these together.
Oh yeah, we're gonna edit them. I'm gonna use KineMaster to edit them. But then again, I have to use the MacBook to post them.
You'll need you'll need to use iMovie to edit them.
No, actually, you can use KineMaster. Plus, it's also better. It offers you more options.
You can't move an iMovie video to KineMaster.
I know, I can just edit the entire video on KineMaster. So guys, so now we have our nice little solution here that we destroyed.
Don't push
I
it.
feel some
Don't
stuff
push
in
it like that. Don't push it like
Feel some
that.
stuff in it.
It doesn't matter if there's chunks. We just gotta pour it.
So guys, now we'll be pouring it into here. Dude, is the sifting pan meant to separate all the chunks?
Yes.
So they don't screw up the operation.
Now I'll throw this away. You take the sifting pan off.
Okay. So guys, now we take off the sifting pan, and over here you see, guys, this nice little
Don't
mixture
pour it.
thing.
Don't pour it. It's almost gonna spill. It's almost gonna spill.
Oh yeah, now we're gonna add. I want to show them it. Now we add 91. This is 91% isopropyl alcohol.
And
Now we will add that
before
there.
you add it in, you're gonna wanna wait a little bit by putting it in your freezer because it needs to be cold when you're putting it in. Okay?
Yeah, thanks. Oh, guys, just so you know, don't keep this around anything hot. This is extremely flammable. Alcohol in general is flammable. Really flammable, I mean. Ooh. It's starting to smell like a doctor's office in here.
Because doctors use alcohol.
Now we're supposed to stir it or something, or does the DNA come to the top? Hey,
Okay,
dude, there's way too much DNA in there.
1 sec. Can you wait?
Oh, yeah, guys, just that. Yeah, Starter Gaming's just gotta wash his hands. But guys, just look at this. You see all this cloudy stuff over here? Now, here.
I'll show them. Don't tilt it like that.
Yeah. So
So-
guys, you see all the cloudy stuff in there?
That's-
That is the blackberry's DNA.
And now we'll
Just
put it back like this and show you the DNA. With this. See you.
Yeah. I wish we had some tweezers though.
This is the blackberry's DNA.
Oh yes, that is the blackberry's DNA. Very
All this
neat.
layer at the top, the alcohol helps it form the DNA after all those other chemicals. And then here's the DNA. You can slightly see.
Don't drink it, obviously. Do not drink this.
Yes, do
It'll
not
make-
drink this. You could die,
Because
possibly.
and also
'cause
you'll
this is chemicals.
and also you'll get drunk too.
This is not that type of alcohol.
Well, it's 91%, so dude, you should know raw alcohol can kill you.
Yes, it actually can.
Okay,
So,
so
you
guys,
don't want to drink raw alcohol.
okay,
ever.
anyways, okay guys, that will be it today. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and PS, if you guys really like this science video, please leave in the comments.